Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Target 100 in Mathematics by Shivesh Kumar Singh. And in this lesson we are going to discuss the last chapter of grade 6 from Reveal book, and name of the chapter is Statistical Measures and Charts. Basically in this lesson we are going to study about the statistics, okay? And the best part for this lesson is there will be no such difficult calculations like multiplication, division, exponents, nothing. Just you need to understand the simple logic and then very easy calculations and you will do it, okay? Now let's start the lesson. The first term here in this lesson is frequency. What is the meaning of frequency? Frequency means number of repetition, number of repetition of a number, okay? Number of repetition of a number, or you can say occurrence of a number. Occurrence of a number is called frequency. For example, if I write some numbers like 2, 3, 4, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 2, 8. Okay, now you can see what is the frequency of 2. So what you will say, 2 is repeated for 1, 2 and 3 times. So frequency of 2 is 3. Okay, similarly in one class maybe there are 5 students named Ahmed. So frequency of Ahmed will be 5. Okay, so what is the frequency? How many times that particular number or object is repeated. So if I ask you this question, what is the frequency of 8 here? So what you will say? Frequency of 8 will be 1, because 8 is written only one time. Okay, so I'm sure you understood the meaning of frequency. Frequency means the number of repetition or occurrence of a number. Okay, simple meaning, repetition. Now next topic can be statistical question. Statistical question means, see, this very easily you have to understand. Statistical question means a question which can have many answers. A question which can have many answers. Okay, for example, if I ask you one question, that what is the area of UAE, the entire country? Okay, what is the area of UAE? So do you know that there will be so many answers for this question, provided you know the answer? Okay, so if you know the answer, this answer will be fixed, because if UAE has a certain area, every country has a certain area. Yes, so this answer will be fixed, means this question will have only one answer. Okay, but if I ask you the question, which game do you like most? Which game do you like most? So this question cannot have only one answer. Some of you will say I like football, some of you will say I like cricket, some of you will say I like baseball, some of you will say I like hockey. Okay, anything. Some of you will say I like video game. Okay, so it has many answers. So this type of question will be called statistical question. Maybe you can have this question in your exam, that which of the following question is statistical question. So what you will identify there, you will see that for a particular question, if you can give many answers, then it will be a statistical question. Okay, now I will request you to pause the video and then you just ask few questions from yourself. You ask from your family member to check. Okay, like what is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? Okay, like this you can ask the question. So see, they give you the same answer or the different answers. Yes, so if you can get different answers, then it means it is a statistical question. Okay, understand this thing? Now I am sure this is very easy for you. So what is the statistical question? Statistical question is the question which can have more than one answer. Okay, and if it can have only one answer, then it will not be a statistical question. Okay, now let's talk about something related with the table. One question maybe they will say that following table is given and some question related with that table. For example, they can say, okay, they say number of students and here game and the number of students. So for example, say football is liked by 10 students. Then say cricket is liked by say 50 students. Okay, then say baseball is liked by 40 students. Then throwball is liked by say 35 students. Like this means some data will be given to you, and based on this you will have to interpret or you will have to answer some questions. So for example, what conclusions you can have from here? You can say that 40 people more than football like cricket. Yes, because it is the difference 40. You can say there are 10 less people than cricket who like baseball. Yes. Similarly, you can say 5 people more than throw ball like baseball. Yes. Similarly, you can say only 10 people like football. Like this, you can make the questions. You can frame the questions and just try to answer the question yourself. Okay. So this is called interpretation from the table or conclusion from the table. So one table will be given to you and then some questions will be asked based on that particular table. Okay. So this also I don't think that it will create any problem. Just be careful while reading the question. Okay. Don't read the question in so hurry so that it is wrong. Now, this is the important topic for you, dot plot. Okay. See, with the help of one question I will tell you, but before that try to understand what is dot plot. Here, for example, if I say a number line is there with some observation, for example, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now, every number has some frequency. Frequency means how many times they are repeated. So, for example, say 1 is repeated 3 times, 2 is repeated 2 times, 3 is repeated 4 times, 4 is repeated 0 times, 5 is repeated 1 time. Okay. So what you will do? 1 is for 3 times. So for 1, you just make 3 dots. 1, 2, 3 like this. Okay. For 2, 2 is having frequency 2. So for 2, you make 2 dots only. For 3, how many dots you will make? 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Why? Because frequency of 3 is 4. And then for 4, how many dots? No dot, because frequency of 4 is 0. Now 5 will have only 1 dot because 5 frequency is 1. Okay. So this is called dot plot because we represent the data in terms of dots. Okay. Now we can discuss this question for the dot plot. They say following is the number of the goals kicked during the last football match. Draw a dot plot for this information. So what you will do? First you draw a line and write the numbers. So number starts from 1. So this is maybe 1, 2 and maximum number is 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now 1 how many times? Only 1 time. So it is 1 dot only. Okay. Now next is 2. 2 how many times? 1, 2 only. So here it is 1, 2. Now 3 how many times you see? Here, okay, 1 and 2. 3 also 2 times. So here 2. Now 4 how many times? You see this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 is for 6 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And then 5. 5 how many times you see here? I think only 2 times. 1 and 2. So 2 dots. Okay. And 6 for how many times? It is also for 2 times. So 1 and 2. Like this you can make the dot plot. I am sure you have understood this. And from the dot plot also they can ask you the question that what was the maximum number of goal did by the team? So maximum number of goal were 4 because you have maximum number of dots for 4. Okay. And what was the minimum number of goal? 1. Okay. Because it has only one dot. Okay, like this you can have question from dot plots. Okay, now next can be, see, they say Ibrahim asked his friend how many car they have in their family. The results are given in the table. Draw the dot plot. Now here table is given to us with the frequency. This is the number and it is their frequency. So in the same way what we are going to do, we will draw a line like this and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now what is the frequency for 1? 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dots for 1. 2 how many frequency? How much frequency? 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 3 how much frequency? 4 again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 4 how many frequency? 3. So 1, 2 and 3. For 5 what is the frequency? 2. So 1, 2 and 6 what's the frequency? 3. So 1, 2, 3. Hope you have understood this question. If you have any problem you can write in the comment. Okay, these are the easy things, so I am completing little faster so that I can cover so many questions. Okay, now next can be, again this is the important thing for you. What is histogram? Histogram basically it is the graph of rectangles. Okay, the data in the last question we have shown the data by using dots like this. Yes, this is called dot plot. But in place of making dot, if we make a rectangular box, then it will become histogram. Okay, rectangular box yani like this. Okay, don't focus on the picture. I am sorry for that. My drawing is not that much good. So it's like a rectangle. Okay, now how you will make it? Problem will remain same. Okay, method is the same. Just in place of making dot, we will make box. Okay, for example, question can be the table shows the information about the number of students in different marks. Draw a histogram for this information. Now you see here, first thing is, here in dot plot we draw only one line, but in histogram we will draw two lines like this also. Okay, now they say first number is 50 to 59. So for example, suppose here it comes 50 to 59. Then it comes 60 to 69. Then it comes 70 to 79. Then it comes 80 to 89. And then it comes, I am taking little wider. Okay, don't think about the distance. It may be unequal. So 90 to 99 and for 100, 0. So no need to write that thing, okay, because this just space was there, so I have written it. Now, there also we need some numbers, and so suppose it is 1 or I'll take, because maximum value is 10. So I will consider so that it can come up to 10. So 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Okay, now 50 to 59, how many? 3. So just 3 means here. So just draw a box like this and like this. Okay, it will be histogram for 50 to 59. This top line represent that number. You see here it is 3 almost. Yes. So this is box plot for first value. Now means histogram, not the box plot. 60 to 69 is 4. So where is 4? I will change the color so that you can understand it better. Now 4 is here. So it come little up to 4 and then go like this and coming down like this. Okay. So this is for 4. Now next can be, again change the color. Okay. So 70 to 79 is 8. So going up to 8. Okay. Then coming like this and going down for the box like this. Okay. Okay, now so this is 8. You can see top line should be in front of this number what is written here. Okay, now what next? Next is 80 to 89 is 10. So do I have any other color? Yes, 80 to 89 is 10. Oh my god, going very up. This is like this and then going like this. Don't go with the exact measurement please. Okay, because I told you my drawing is not that much good, but yes, I'm trying my level best. So this is going up to 10 like this. If it is something up and down, then adjust. Okay, now this is this is okay. Now 90 to 99, it is 7, so I'll change the color again. 90 to 99 is 7. So where is the 7? Between 6 and 8. So it comes little here. So it goes like this and then like this. Okay. So this is called histogram. Okay. Like this you will make the histogram. I'm sure you understood this thing. Okay. Now next can be, but remember here that top line, this top line shows the frequency. Okay. This top line, every box top line will show the frequency. Now what's next we have, this is something really calculative here, mean or average. Okay, this is something what we want to study in detail. So mean or average, for example, see, in the last exam, suppose in term 2 exam in math you scored say 80 marks from 100. In science you scored 75 marks. In Arabic you scored 95 marks. Okay, let's talk about 3 subjects only. So what is your average or what is your mean marks? How you will find it? Simply you add all the numbers what you got and divided by how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3 numbers are there. Okay, so just divide it by 3. So say 5 plus 5, 10, 1 forward, 8, 1, 9, 9, 7, 16, 16 and 9, 25 divided by 3 means 3 times 8, 24, and then 3 3s are 9, 83.33 is the average marks. Okay, so how you will find the mean? What is the formula for the mean? It's very easy for you. Mean or average is equal to sum of all numbers, sum of all observations means numbers. Okay, sum of all observations divided by number of observations means counting of the numbers observations. Okay, this is the simple formula for mean or average. If you understand this, then no question will be wrong for you. Okay, see, for example, if we want to solve this question, the mean of the following number is 10. Find the missing number A. Now you see here reverse question is given. If numbers are given and you have to find the mean, then what you will do? You will add the numbers and then divide by the numbers. So how many numbers are given to you? But here mean is given and one number is missing. So formula will remain same. Mean is equal to sum of observations, sum of all numbers, and then divided by counting of the numbers. Okay, counting of numbers. So it will be mean is what? It is given here 10. So 10 is equal to, add all the numbers, 12 plus 9 plus A plus 10 plus 12 plus 6, and then divided by what? Divided by how many numbers are there? You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So divide by 6. Now calculate this. Okay, you see here 6 is in division, so it will be multiplied in both the sides. So 10 multiplies 6 is equal to 12 plus 9, 21. 21 plus A, what did you say? No answer? Very good. 21 plus A, nothing, because they are unlike terms. So move forward. 21 plus 10, 31. 31 plus 12, 43. 43 plus 6, 50. So it is 50 plus A. Okay, no need to write upon because I have written 6 there. So 50 plus A. Now 10 times 6 is 60. 60 is equal to 50 plus A. Then minus 50 both the sides. So A is equal to 60 minus 50 means 10. So 10 is the answer. Okay, like this you can solve the question. Okay, now another question can be, they say in 4 days a student want to study on an average mean for 5 hours. Okay, a student want to maintain this average or a mean Okay. On Monday, he studied for 3 hours. Tuesday, he studied for 2 hours. And Wednesday, he studied for 4 hours. Then, how much time he should study on Thursday so that he can maintain the required average? So, same process. Mean or average is equal to sum of all the numbers, means 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus Thursday. So for Thursday, I have taken x divided by how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. So divide by 4. What is the value of mean? 5, because he wants to maintain 5 hours in a day. Okay. So it is equal to 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. Okay. So 9 plus x divided by 4. 4 will be multiplied because in the another side it is in division. So 5 times 4, 20 is equal to 9 plus x. So x is equal to 20 minus 9, that is 11. Okay. Please check the calculation whether it is right or wrong. I am sure it is right, but let's check once again. 3 here, 2 and then 4 and then Monday to Thursday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I'm sure it is 4 days only, not 5 days. Okay. And 5 hours is the mean. So 5 comes here. 3 to 5, 5, 4, 9. 5 times 4, 20. 20 minus 9, 11. Seems to be correct. Okay. So he will have to study 11 hours on Thursday if he wants to maintain 5 hours in a day of study. So you decide how many hours you want to study every day and then plan accordingly for your exams. Okay. Now, this is range of data. Range of data means, what is the range? Range means, it's a simple formula, is maximum number minus minimum number. Maximum minus minimum is called the range. For example, if you have some numbers, say I have 2, 7, 8, 13, 14, 20, 22. Then what is the range? Range will be maximum number means 22 minus the minimum number means 2, and 22 minus 2 means 20. So this is the range. Okay. Like this, range is very easy and I'm sure you can understand it directly and it will be applicable directly in the exam also. Okay. So this is about the range. Let's talk about the next thing, median. Okay. Median is I think something little big, not much. So I think that I should cover this in the next video. So up to this you will study for your exams, and up to range you practice all the questions, and then soon I will make the video for remaining lessons for the statistics. Okay. I'm sure you have understood the lesson. If you think that it will increase your knowledge, like and subscribe my channel please and share with your friends. Thank you.